Here is a presentation on the top safety points that Eagle Energy safety managers may prioritize when working on wind turbine sites. At Eagle Energy, safety is our top priority. Our safety managers are dedicated to ensuring that all work on wind turbine sites is performed in a safe and secure manner. In this presentation, we will discuss the top safety points that our safety managers prioritize when working on wind turbine sites. Risk assessment and hazard identification. Before any work is performed on a wind turbine site, our safety managers conduct a thorough risk assessment to identify any potential hazards. This includes examining the work environment, equipment, and tasks to be performed. By identifying potential hazards in advance, we can take steps to mitigate or eliminate them. Personal protective equipment. Our safety managers ensure that all technicians and safety personnel have the appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, for the job. This may include, in addition to hard hats, safety glasses, earplugs, gloves, climb harnesses, air quality sensors, lanyards, FR clothing, and other items. Wearing the appropriate PPE can help to reduce the risk of injury. Communication and teamwork. Effective communication and teamwork are essential for maintaining safety on wind project and service sites. Our safety managers encourage open communication and encourage technicians and safety personnel to speak up and stop work if they have any concerns about safety. By working together, we can identify and address potential safety issues before they become a problem. Training and education. Our company believes in the importance of ongoing training and education for all technicians and safety managers. This includes both on-the-job training and formal training programs. We maintain the wind industry training standards for all of our employees. By staying up to date on the latest safety practices and procedures, we can ensure that all work is performed safely. At Eagle Energy, we are committed to ensuring the safety of all technicians and safety personnel on wind turbine sites. By prioritizing risk assessment, personal protective equipment, communication and teamwork, and training and education, we can create a safe and secure work environment. If you're an energy company looking to improve your safety performance, we encourage you to reach out to us to learn more about our services. I'm Kip Woodworth. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates and information.